Hello everyone. This is a very special video for me because this video is bringing back very good memories for me when I started my career back in the 1990s in computers, IT, and in hardware and audio in general. So these memories are related to when PCs started to get very popular. And when PCs started, they had a sound card that is called Sound Blaster. Like 99.9% maybe of all PCs used this sound card, and the sound card was from Creative Labs, and it was excellent. So in this video, I'm also reviewing an excellent product from Creative Labs, and this product is the Zen Hybrid SXFI headphones. I've been using these headphones for the last 3 months, and I found out that they are almost excellent in everything. Now, not everything is green, so they have some drawbacks, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you about what is good about them and also what needs to be improved. So let's start first by showing you what comes in the box of these headphones. Let's open the box. These headphones have active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.3, frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, 40mm drivers, and 70 hours battery. And this is everything you get in the box. You have a user manual, the headphones, a TRS 3.5mm cable that is 45 inches, a USB-A to USB-C cable that is 32 inches, and a carrying pouch. Now I'm gonna cover the sound quality of these headphones, and this is one of their strongest points. So you're gonna listen, of course, to some sound clips that I recorded on my binaural microphone Mitch. Now what I do for these headphones to tune the sound to my liking is using their application, which is Creative. So I tune the equalizer in the application to increase the treble a little bit and the bass just a bit, and this way I get the best sound out of these headphones. Now enough talking, and let's listen to these headphones, how they sound. I find that the sound quality of these headphones is amazing, especially after you tune it with its equalizer. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the sound quality of these headphones. Let me talk about the build quality of these headphones. So there's nothing special about the build quality except that they are very well built, but they are made mostly of plastic. They have only one metal component, which is the headband here, and it is graduated, and this is something that is very good. Now for the controls of these headphones, all the controls are physical and they are on the right ear cup. So let me tell you what are the controls very quickly. So this is the on-off button, a Bluetooth button, and also it controls the playback and the codes. This is the ANC button. This is the SXFI button. And these buttons here are the minus volume and the plus volume. And at the same time, you can use them to fast forward to the next track or to go to the previous track if you press and hold them. Now for the connections of these headphones, on top of them having Bluetooth 5.3, they have 3.5mm connection and they work without being powered on. And this is USB-C connection to charge them. To talk about the comfort of these headphones are light. They weigh only 259 grams. They have an adjustable headband that is graduated and they move like this and like this. So they hug your ears very good. So inside of the cups, you have the writing, whether it is the right ear cup or the left ear cup. And when you put them on your head, you feel that they are really comfortable. So the memory foam here on the ear cup helps with their comfort. Now, on the top of the headband, there is also cushioning, but the cushioning doesn't have memory foam. So you feel it just a little bit on the top of your head. Now, as I say, maybe in all my videos about headphones, if you have thicker hair than mine, you will not feel this, I think. So I can wear these headphones for 2-3 hours without feeling any pain in my ears, and this is very important. The active noise cancellation in this Zen Hybrid SXFI headphones has 4 settings. Either you turn it off or you put it on ambient mode, and in ambient mode you can also adjust the level of sound you want to hear, and also you can put it on adaptive ANC, and this way it will automatically adjust to your environment. And you can put it also on ANC, and when you put it on ANC on, you can also adjust the level of ANC. So now I will be testing the ANC in these headphones. What I'll be doing is that I'm gonna record first on my binaural microphone the ambient sound of a busy restaurant, and then I'm gonna put the headphones on the binaural microphone with adaptive ANC activated, and then I'm gonna put them into ambient mode, and you're gonna listen for yourself how good these headphones are.
Ambient mode.
So as you have heard, the active noise cancellation in these headphones works really good. And what I like about it is that it doesn't exert pressure on my ears as opposed to other headphones, like for instance, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. And they are as efficient, in my opinion, as other headphones and comparable to the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra. And this is enough said in my opinion. So now the sound that you're listening to comes from the microphones of these headphones in a quiet environment. And I've listened to this before and I found it to be okay. It is a little bit muffled, but nevertheless the other party can hear you. Let's test now this microphone in a noisy environment. So now I am on a busy street and there is a little bit of wind and there is noise behind me and everywhere from the cars passing by. And the sound that you're listening to is coming from the microphone of my DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. So now I'm going to switch to the microphone of the headphones. So now the sound that you are listening to is coming from the microphone of the Creative Zen Hybrid SXFI headphones. And there is a little bit of wind and there is like environmental noise and there are cars passing behind me. I've listened to this sound before and I found it to be good, a little bit maybe low, but nevertheless, the other party can hear you very well. For the portability and usability of these headphones on the go, it is very good except one thing. So what is good about it is that they fold very small like this and also like this. And also they have a battery that lasts up to 70 hours without activating the active noise cancellation and up to 40 hours with active noise cancellation. Now also you can use these headphones with the provided 3.5mm aux cable without turning them on. Now what is not too good about them is that they come only with a carrying pouch, so it's a soft carrying pouch. So if you're traveling with these headphones, they might be squashed if you put them in your luggage, and I would have preferred that they came with a hard shell case. Now you saw that in the video that these headphones perform very good in almost all the aspects. And if you add the price factor, which is $94 at the time of this video on Amazon, these headphones are a steal and I recommend them very highly. Now what I like particularly about them is that they provide excellent sound and they provide also very good active noise cancellation. They are also comfortable and the battery lasts up to 70 hours. What I wanted to be improved in these headphones are 3 things. First, that they provide a hard case shell instead of this soft pouch. The second thing is the microphone quality. It can be better. And the third thing is that the cushioning here on the headband, it should be better in my opinion, and it should be made of memory foam instead of this plastic that bounces. If you want to check out these Creative Zen Hybrid SXFI headphones, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.